Well, my friend's not coming. Hi there, Renata. Baby, what are you saying? Baby, 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 baby. What is it? Babe. He's saying, what class am I in? Oh, you're in this class. Don't sit by me. I want my brother to sit by me. No. Seriously, Brad, you had to do that to me. Fancy? Bernadette, seriously? Oh well. I get this up by you, yay! Today class I'm going to be reading Enchanted Castle. After reading. Was that a good story? Oh, yes it is. Alright class, now it's time to do your own studies yourself, so I'll be handing out books to you. First I'm going to be calling Nelly? Is that your name? Nelly, here you go, Nelly. Your name, I guess.